Welcome to the School of Hospitality and Tourism at Medhavi Skills University, where careers in global hospitality begin with real-world practice. Here, students learn the core pillars of hotel management, from front office operations and housekeeping to food and beverage service, culinary craft, and guest experience management. Our programs, BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Management and the Professional Diploma in Hospitality and Hotel Management, are designed with a strong focus on industry exposure. Students train in fully equipped food and beverage, food production, front office, and housekeeping labs, gaining hands-on mastery from the very first semester. Every learner at MSU progresses through a 70% skill-oriented curriculum, ensuring that practical skills become their strongest advantage. And as the only university in Sikkim offering paid on-the-job learning fully integrated into the curriculum, you begin your professional journey while you study. With MSU's commitment to ensuring 100% of student applicants receive government scholarships, your pathway to a successful hospitality career becomes accessible, affordable, and future-ready.